Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I tell you, there's a lot of beautiful cars out there on the internet. This is one of the exceptional ones. This is a 66 442 with the tri-power 4-speed, a 390 posi, and I'm telling you, the quality and its integrity is really, really good. Visit volocars.com. You can read everything I have to say about it and all the specs. You can study all the pictures. You can get the price, not only on this one, but a few hundred collector cars are on there for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, let's take this rare opportunity to go for a spin in a 66 tri-power 442 4-speed car. Isn't that gorgeous? Love the poverty hubcaps on the steel rims and the red lines. I should back up and tell you I got this from probably one of my top 5 fussiest customers. His cars are dialed in, and this is no exception. I got it from him, and I knew it would be showroom ready. I did take this car out for a nice afternoon drive on my day off. I'm fortunate we live by some back roads, and the leaves are changing, and I actually purposely was turning down roads I've never been down to try and get lost. The car was great. Shifts through the gears, just runs nice. You'll hear it run in just a few minutes. Underneath the car is very clean. The bottom, the floors, the frame, all of it's just clean, nice dry metal. The inner rockers and quarters, all that's really nice. It has the rally suspension, which is front and rear sway bars, boxed rear control arms. The front end was all rebuilt. You can see the ball joints, the bushings, the shocks look recent. Same thing in the back. The springs, shocks, bushings have been replaced. It's got a nice upgraded Flowmaster exhaust with some fat pipes, a crossover pipe. Sounds real good. The Muncie 4-speed is real nice and clean. The shift linkage looks clean. Looking up at the motor, it's real clean. In back, it has its original. I checked the codes on it. 390 posi rear end, 12-bolt Oldsmobile rear end for this car. The body is amazing. I believe it to be all original clean metal, and the fit is excellent. Everything's nice and square, laser beam straight. I don't care where you look, from what angle, this thing's laser straight. The red paint is polished out like red glass. I really haven't seen a flaw. I'm sure maybe I missed something very minor, but I have not seen one yet. There's definitely no rust or bubbles or bodywork or cracking. There's no problem areas at all. And all the trim, stainless is polished, the chrome is beautiful, and it's smooth all along the bottoms here. All nice and clean, no rust. I can feel along here, it's nice, clean, factory spot welds on the metal. So the emblems, the little rubber fillers, all that's really nice. There's a few little pits inside the taillight rim right there, but this is all really good. Trunk compartments, all clean dry metal with a nice spatter finish. Has a 2-piece mat, spare jack, all that. The lug wrench and all of it looks real nice. It has the stickers, the wiring, the weather strip, all real clean. The seams are nice. I looked up in here with a flashlight. There's no cuts or splices. Looks like the original quarter panels. Weather strips, window seals, door jambs are all real clean. Interior is super nice. Nice cushions, nice upholstery, new carpet, embroidered mats. The whole dash area is excellent, and right here you can look for a picture of it on our website. The factory tachometer is actually mounted over there to the side of the dash. It does have an aftermarket steering wheel. 99% sure it comes with the original. I seen it in the trunk when we bought the car, so it might be in the shop. Probably had some cracks in it. I would assume that's why they changed it. Up here it has the T3 headlamps. Top of the bumper is a little cloudy right there, a little like worn, but all the trim and everything's really nice up here. So this does have the VT, I believe is the code. I'll have this on our website too, but it was VT is the code. That's for the tri-power. I checked the casting numbers on the intake. It's the correct intake. I didn't check numbers on the cars, but they all have tags on them and everything looks stock. The air cleaners and all of that looks stock. It has power steering. The glass lines up real nice. I love it when a door shuts like that. Beautiful door jambs. It has seat belts. The shift handle is a Hurst handle, and it says 442 right on the handle. That's correct. It has the center console with the vacuum gauge. And there's two aftermarket, probably an oil and temperature gauge down below. But all the plastic bezels and trim, the seat backs, the seat belts are all excellent. The lights work, the headliner and visors are mint. Inside the glove box is real nice. Door panels are mint. This is just a really nice car. Not just the way it looks, but the way it performs. So in here we got reproduction hoses and clamps. That's an actual Delco reproduction battery, bolted down properly. New wiper motor, new alternator. Just everything's neat and orderly. It does look like an aftermarket aluminum radiator. It's been painted black, and I see it also has an electric fan in front to keep it cool. Let me fire this one up for you. Rare car. They didn't make many of these, and then you add the tri-power, and there is a code right on the trim tag that tells you it's the 442 package. I think it's 5N, I think. You get the right key in the ignition. It even comes with a real nice keychain. The light comes on when you apply the parking brake. The mirror is mint. All three carbs work. It's not even warmed up yet. And listen how it sits and just idles so nice. This one's a sweetheart. That's just a name that I have for those cars that are exceptional, where the doors shut nice, trunk light works, it just feels right, and things work properly. Windows roll up smoothly. That's a sweetheart. Cushions feel good. So visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my impression of the car. If you have specific concerns or questions, please ask them. They can also help with the whole process of the paperwork and financing, delivery. They'll help with all of that. Visit volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos as much as I enjoy making them, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.